Hi guys, in this wonderful tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to send money to another person's maybe cryptocurrency address. Maybe you want to send USDT or Bitcoin to another cryptocurrency address, another person's wallet. I'll show you guys how to do this in this video using Binance. So log into your Binance app or website, whichever one you want to use. Just click on your wallet tab on the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on it, you see other options like sports, funding and all that. Simply click on sports. If you have your money available on the funding wallet, simply transfer it to the spot wallet. Once it's on the spot wallet, click on withdraw and leave it on crypto. You see crypto here, you see cash. Just make sure it's on crypto. I repeat, make sure it's on crypto. Now it's on crypto. Once it's on crypto, they will show you the available balance or the cryptocurrencies that you have money inside. As you can see on the BUSD, I have some change here, 0.076, and on the USDT I have 100 USDT. So I want to transfer like it's 8 USDT to someone. So under the cryptocurrency tab, click on the USDT. For the tutorial, it might be Bitcoin for your case, it might be anything for your case. So here is just a quick tutorial or a quick guide to show you guys how it works. So get the address and network, click on it and initiate a withdrawal, network confirmation, deposit successful, as simple as that. So here is the address. So I'll just paste the address. I've already copied this address and paste and added it here. So make sure you copy and paste an address, don't just write it by hand to avoid mistakes. That's also the pro tip I'm giving you guys. So after that, click on the network. They have like up to 5 networks here. They have the Binance chain, they have the Binance Smart chain, they have the Ethereum, they have the Solana, and they have the Tron network. So the most cheap one is the Binance Smart chain. So that's what most people are using because it only collects 0.80 cents USDT, if that makes sense. So other ones collect like 1 USDT for their fee. Ethereum, which is the ERC20, corrects up to 24 USDT. That's why many people have been running away from that, and it takes longer time, like 3 minutes to arrive. Other ones takes only 2 minutes to arrive. So that's just a pro tip I'm giving you guys. Just click on this network, Binance Smart Chain, click on it. So click on confirm. Now if the network doesn't tally with the address, they will notify you here. So it has to tally with the address before this can work. Now it tallies. The network you selected is BCT. Please ensure that the withdrawal address supports the Binance Smart Chain network. You will lose your assets if the chosen platform does not support retrieval. So make sure the person you are sending also have a Binance account and it supports Binance Smart Chain. So that's how to do it. So then here is where you add the amount you want to transfer. I want to transfer 88 USDT. So this is what I'm transferring. And now they'll add their charge, which is point like 80 cents USDT, 0.80 cents USDT. So if you add it to plus the 88, this is what you'll be getting in total. So click on withdraw. So this is your charge. You are using this network. It's just like a summary of what you are sending. See the fee here is 0.80 USDT to be precise. So after that, click on confirm. So this is the cheapest way to do this stuff. So click on confirm, and as you can see, they will send you a code to your phone number. Simply add the code here, and they will send you a code to your email address. Simply add the code, and they will use a Binance Google verification code also. Simply paste it here. So why I like Binance is because they are very secured. All these are security measures, so it's very hard to hack Binance. It's very hard. So let me quickly click on send code to the phone number. Once I receive the code, I'll add it here as SAP. So the code is on its way. So I've received the code. Okay, let me add the code here. So 96666689. Right. So on the email, I'll click on send code again. So these are like the 3 steps that you have to add their verification code from your phone number that you registered while registering your account on Binance, and also add the code they sent to your email address, and add the verification code using the Google verification app that you downloaded on your phone. I've covered this, or I'll do more videos on this so you won't be confused on how to get all this. how to create a Binance account. I'll do all this on my channel, so watch my channel videos and stay up to date so you get the latest. Okay guys, the code just arrived and I've added the code. So this is the code here. I just added the 462779. Your own will be different from my own. Everyone owns is different. It's an OTP code, different every time. So here is where you add your Binance Google verification code. So to get this, just download this app called Google Authentication. So this is Google Authenticator. Click on it, it will open. Sign on with your ID. So here you find Binance. So this is Binance. Click on copy and come back here and paste it here. So let me paste this. Once I paste it, I click on submit. Okay, as you can see, this is successful. I've successfully withdrawn this. So you can view your history here and do other transactions if you want to do this. So that's it. I hope I covered this on this short tutorial. You guys, if you have any question, just contact me so I can help you and do this. So that being said guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.